Sugbo Mercado. Just please bring your own pen and please og naglibog na gyudayon ko kung unsa may goring. So pancake tray. For takoyaki, yes, scallops. Yes, the grilled scallops tagtang og mas kung ta mag-order. Si unsa kalami og flavor and singa clean as you go. Today, I am out of my clinic to enjoy and experience my favorite food market, the Sugbo Mercado. Our weekend food market reopens now with an enhanced sanitation and security protocols. We practice a no mask, no entry policy, and of course, kinahanglan gyapon ta mo fill up og entry form inigsulod nato for proper contact tracing. If ever you have seen on my vlogs, I usually suggest please bring your own pen and please answer honestly. Ganasa ko sa pa-temperature tago hindi ka raman sa kamot. I am so happy that my Sugbo Mercado favorites are all open kay dili tanang stores open nga ni sa Sugbo Mercado. Happy to see original Sugbo Mercado seller as well as they have new ones. If you have noticed, tables are separated already. Dili na siya nakadugol and only 2 persons per table ang acceptable. Okay, so let me walk around. Kaya actually decided naman ang takuon sa akong orderon pero pagsud na ko karon sa Sugbo Mercado and I miss them so much na overwhelmed ko og naglibog na gyudayon ko kung unsa akong orderon. Sige, dili na sa jugo patintal, I'll go directly to Cribs. Cribs is like my favorite place in Sugbo Mercado. Why? Unsa kong orderon nga ni, it is their May Goring. It's like, wala ko nakarig Sugbo Mercado kung wala ko ni kaon og May Goring. So, if ever kung wala pa sad buka kaon og May Goring nga sa Sugbo Mercado, nga no man, bitaw give it a try. If ever you visit Sugbo Mercado, this is a must. And this is like my #1 food here. Just in case dili man mo makabisita nganhi, you can also order sa Food Panda or sa Let's Eat Buy because most of the seller here kay makit-an ra sa gyud nato ngadto. And now, let's have the pad thai of Banana Pancake Trail. Banana Pancake Trail is one of the original sellers of Sugbo Mercado if ever I'm not mistaken. And yes, naalang gyud yapon sila kay trust me, lami sa jud kay ilang pad thai. So kano, carbo overload ito. After May Goring and pad thai, it's time for takoyaki. Yes, takoyaki in Sugbo Mercado is the best also. And para naagyud tay Philippine touch pod, mo order dayon taog scallops. Yes, the grilled scallops in Cebu is the best also. Speaking of the best and you want to be in heaven, it's time to order the Humba Heaven. If ever wala ka mo ka-try sila hang Humba rice, dapat sad mo try nga ni if ever you are a rice eater, this is the perfect rice dish in Sugbo Mercado. So, see that rice niya ang sauce sa humba, di ba? Unsa pa may pangitaon no pwede nagalig wala ang baboy sudan na siya daan. And while waiting sa akong humba rice maluto, na ang may lechon sa duol and na may murag pa-sample si Ate Tilawan daw nato be. Te, give me lechon, te, panit lang. Di ba tayo earliest order gamay? Kay giming akong panit sa lechon. Ay, sabaha ka, di ba pwede magtagtang ugmas kung ta mag-order. Shhh! After na malismos og lechon, it's now time to eat the humba rice. Kay mo, di pagkahuman sa niya. Salamat kay Kuya. Susiun sa kalami, humba rice. Napadyo'y itlog. And of course, I think na-mention naman ako before, a food market experience is not complete kung dili ka mag-alimango. And yan hikidaghan kaayos lag flavor. And for that, mulingkod na ko kay masidaghan pa kung ma-order na. Pero wait, na may kusina Guadalupe, oy. Yes, lubos-luboson na lang yun siya. Order all the Sugbo Mercado favorite. It would be the Kusina Guadalupe Boneless Lechon. So, diba, tour around Asia na yun kaayot ta. Nagyot tayo dapat Cebuano lechon. And mulingkod na yun ko, promise, kung di ko mulingkod, basig na nasa ko yung ma-order lain. And for that, nagalit na cheat day burger. Yay! Mo na ko favorite yung burgers. You can have your make your own burger. Nasay pa nga ang scallops. I-flex lang ako guys sa kagimingog ko ning pagkauna sa Sugbo Mercado. So that's why if ever you are outside and you are nearby the garden block of IT Park, please do visit Sugbo Mercado. Again, they are open from Wednesdays to Saturdays, 11 a.m. up to 9 p.m. And why I am flexing this more? Because I want you also to go out to support our small businesses kaya it would really help them to boost the economy. And for that, mga unagyan ta guys. And of course, unsa pa may unahon yun din ako ang May Goring. I miss this so much. Honestly, I've ordered this. Kinaasa din sila sa online delivery as I've mentioned. Pero lahi yun kumukaon ka og May Goring sa outdoor experience and init pa siya ag bag-o yun siyang luto. Kanang, are you patay gutom besh? But why not? Scallops time! Yes, grilled scallops. I think kibaw naman mo kita mo sa muna ko nagbukbang no. Yes, pwede ko makahurot og usa ka plato nga scallop. Ug sige, kuha gina akong usa ka plato. Mang share ko kinabi ako'y kuyog. Ug ganahan mo makibaw sa akong kuyog. I think makita man tingali ni later or I'll drop down below kay naa sa siya kagulingong vlog ani nga experience. Takoyaki time! And yes, all throughout the quarantine period, wala jud ko naka-order takoyaki even though there were like online services pero wala ko because for me takoyaki is best eaten off the grill. So kanang pa lang gid siya sa grill, kanon dayon nimo perfect. And lechon sa takadyot and then humba time. Ako gining i-flex ang humba sa Humba Haven because what I really like, ilang humba probably manggod sa sigig init, mas humok na gid siya and the flavors of the humba musulod gid siya sa meat. And ay paitlog and ang rice at chopstick ko nato kay para kunuhay gamay makaon per dili man mahurot ra magyapon ni nako akong humba rice. Yes, dako kay kog kaon no. Give me a chance panagsara ko makasuroy ngan sa Sugbo Mercado or after 6 months karon pa yun. And yes, lechon belly time na dayon. Lechon belly plus the suka. Nadaghan kay glamas ganan ko dag glamas ang lechon belly and Kusina Guadalupe has it also. And lastly, alimango time. What I really like about alimango kay aside being a drink, pwede na sigid siyang dessert. It's like mango float in a glass. And naamaday cheat day burger di ay if ever you have been following me, ako ning na-feature ang cheat day burger ngani sa Sugbo Mercado. Because why? Ganahan kay ko because you can make your own burger. So anything you want in a burger, pwede gid mo ipabuhat nganhi. Sugbo Mercado has always been practicing clean as you go. Pero karon sa ato ang new normal, mas maayo or mas stricto sa jud sila nga kita gimuhipo sa ato ang gikanan. So that dili makakontak ang ato ang mga gatrabaho nganhi sa ato ang mga pagkaon ug unsa man ang ato ang gigunitan. And then again, in keeping or in throwing of our trashes, make it sure to properly follow segregation. Kung asa ang malata, di malata ug uban pa. So after eating, murag kinahanglan maglakaw-lakaw sa tatungod sa kuang kabusog no, murag kinahanglan sigud ta mag-exercise gamay. And yes, ganahan sad ako i-flex ang view also sa Sugbo Mercado during night time. Then again guys, they are already following the new protocols pero it is also our responsibility to follow it. Dili ta dapat kinahanglan badlungon all the time or tagaag reminder kung unsa man ang protocol sa new norm. Kung ang lingkuranan gilagyo man or ang table gilagyo man, dili nato ipaduol ha. Best nga saba man ko. If ever na ay araw, let us follow it and let us follow also social distancing. Sometimes ma-excite man ta pero always remember kung naay taw naguna og order nimo, ayaw kaayog duol og ayaw gyud paduol. Because it is not only protecting ourselves but it is also protecting others, in which maoy mas importante. And Sugbo Mercado has a one entrance and a one exit. So kani siya ang exit nga part sa Sugbo Mercado, which serves also as an entrance sa mga ato ang Food Panda riders. Then again, Sugbo Mercado is open from Wednesdays to Saturdays from 11 AM to 9 PM. And my friendly reminder, please always eat in proper proportion and brush your teeth after eating, and to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!